Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Mizoram and Rajasthan will go to polls on different days from November 7th to 30th. The Election Commission of India said that the votes will be counted for the 5 states on December 3. This will set the stage for the 2024 Lok Sabha polls semi-finals. Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar said that nearly 16 crore voters would be eligible to cast their votes in these elections. Madhya Pradesh. The opposition bloc India is already seeing differences as Samajwadi Party Supremo Akhilesh Yadav has accused Congress of not giving any seats in the Madhya Pradesh Assembly elections. Akhilesh Yadav even said on Thursday that Congress has cheated him. The Samajwadi Party on Wednesday announced its 22 more candidates for the next month's assembly elections in Madhya Pradesh, where its India bloc ally, the Congress, is in direct contest against the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party amid rumours of strain within the opposition alliance. Meanwhile, Shivraj Singh Chauhan alleged that Congress has made Madhya Pradesh a Bimaru state, a backward state where there was a lack of basic amenities. People of the state brought the bad governance to an end in 2003 and since then BJP has been in power. Expect 1 year and 3 months, Shivraj Singh Chauhan said. Telangana.
याद रखिए, ये तीनों पार्टियां एक साथ काम कर रही हैं, कांग्रेस पार्टी को हराने की कोशिश कर रही हैं.
Throwing a new poll challenge to Telangana Chief Minister and Bharat Rashtra Samiti Chief K. Chandrasekhar Rao, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi questioned his silence on the issue of caste census and said that his party will get the survey done if it comes to power in the state. The Congress leader alleged that the BRS and the Asaduddin Owaisi-led AIMIM are collaborating with the BJP and launching a joint attack on the Congress. Earlier, KCR's daughter and Legislative Council member K. Kavitha had questioned why the Congress did not get a caste survey done in the 6 decades it governed the country. Mizoram. The Aam Aadmi Party on Thursday announced the first list of 4 candidates for the Mizoram Assembly elections. The party has fielded AAP State President Andrew Lalrimkima from Aizawl North 3. In contrast, Vanlal Mavia, Wanchong, Biak Thiang Lima and Lalan Gaihoma Pachau will contest from Aizawl West 1, Aizawl West 3 and Aizawl South 1 respectively. AAP on Wednesday announced that it will take part in the forthcoming Mizoram Assembly polls. AAP spokespersons had said that they have decided to focus exclusively on the Aizawl Municipal Council area and laid stress on their strategy for a focus on the region. Chhattisgarh.
वादे पूरे नहीं करे, आजादी के बाद पहली बार ये ओडिशा के संथाल परगना की गरीब घर की बेटी द्रौपदी मुर्मू को देश की राष्ट्रपति बनाने का काम नरेंद्र मोदी जी.
Union Home Minister Amit Shah on Thursday accused the Congress of encouraging Maoists and claimed that the incidents of Maoist violence decreased by 52% in the 9-year rule of Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led government. Addressing a rally in Jagdalpur in poll-bound Chhattisgarh, he appealed to the people to vote for the Bharatiya Janata Party in the upcoming state elections. Polling for the 90 assembly seats in Chhattisgarh is scheduled to be held in 2 phases on November 7th and 17th and votes will be counted on December 3rd. Rajasthan.
मैंने तो कहा आपको कि हम सब एकजुट हैं, जब उनके साथ लोग गए थे उनके टिकट सब क्लियर हो रहे हैं करीब, उससे बड़ा उदाहरण क्या मैं दे सकता हूं आपको. एक टिकट में भी मैंने ऑब्जर्वेशन नहीं किया हो.
Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot on Thursday said that everyone in the party was united as he responded to a question on his power tussle with his former deputy Sachin Pilot ahead of the Rajasthan polls. He also said that he has not opposed any single candidate from Pilot's camp. Ties between Gehlot and Pilot had been sour for some time, which accelerated in April this year when Pilot went on a day-long fast against his own party's government. Pilot demanded that a probe be launched by the Gehlot government into charges of graft by previous Vasundhara Raje dispensation. We are all united, Gehlot said at a press conference on Thursday, adding he has not opposed any single candidate of Pilot camp.